Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? What if I told you that the universe is far stranger and more mind-bending than you ever imagined? Today we're exploring 10 space facts that will completely change how you see the cosmos. Stick around until the end, because the last one might just make you question reality itself. Most people picture the universe like an explosion, with a starting point. But in reality, the universe has no center. Space itself is stretching, like the surface of a balloon being inflated. No matter where you stand, it looks like everything is moving away from you. In other words, you are always in the middle of the universe. Astronomers estimate there are sextillions of stars. That's a one with 21 zeros after it. Imagine every beach, every desert, every grain of sand you've ever seen. The universe has more stars than that. Each one could be a sun with its own planets. Suddenly, Earth feels less like the main stage and more like one theater in an infinite city. You can't hear sound in space, no air to carry it, but black holes create ripples in gas and plasma that scientists can translate into sound waves. In 2022, NASA released audio of a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, and it's a deep, eerie hum, 57 octaves below middle C. A reminder, the universe has its own music, even if we can't hear it directly. When massive stars collapse, they can form neutron stars, objects so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh 1 billion tons. That's more than the entire human population combined. These are cosmic heavyweights, spinning hundreds of times per second, like lighthouses in space. For its first 380,000 years, the universe was so hot and dense that light couldn't escape. It was a glowing fog. Then it cooled enough for photons to travel freely, giving us the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light we can see, meaning the universe wasn't always visible. For hundreds of millennia, it was blind to itself. The carbon in your cells, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, all were forged in stars that lived and died billions of years ago. You are literally a cosmic remix, built from the ashes of supernovae. The next time you look at the night sky, remember, those stars are your ancestors. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, time doesn't tick the same everywhere. Near strong gravity, like around a black hole, time slows down. If you could orbit a black hole for 1 hour and return, decades, or even centuries, might have passed on Earth. Space isn't just distance, it's time, bending and stretching with gravity. The Milky Way is on a collision course with our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. But don't panic. It'll take about 4 billion years. When galaxies collide, they don't smash like cars. Stars are so far apart that they mostly pass by. Instead, gravity pulls them into stunning new shapes, cosmic slow dances across eons. Physicists debate the idea of a multiverse, infinite universes, each with different rules, constants, maybe even versions of you. It's still theoretical, but some models of cosmology suggest our universe could be just one bubble in an endless cosmic foam. If that's true, everything you know is just one possibility among many. And here's the mind breaker. We don't know if the universe ends. Every telescope we've built shows galaxies stretching farther and farther, with no edge in sight. If the universe is infinite, then every possible arrangement of atoms must exist somewhere. That means another version of you, watching this exact video, could be out there, billions of light years away. So what do we take from all this? The universe is vast, beautiful, and far stranger than our everyday lives suggest. Each fact is a reminder that we're part of something almost impossible to comprehend. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't let it end here. Hit that subscribe button because we've got more space mysteries, mind-bending facts, and epic journeys waiting for you. And remember, the next time you look up at the stars, you're not just gazing at light, you're staring into the story of everything.